Hey everyone, I am Latasha the Stylist and welcome to my channel. Today I will be demonstrating a crochet ponytail and this is the final look. I also have a part 1 which I demonstrated how to do the tree braids in the back, but today we are going to finish the top. And this is the final look. It's really full. I actually love tree braids. They're very flexible and you can do multiple styles with them. So for starters, you want to section out the hair in however many braids that you desire, which should be easier on you when it comes time to start braiding. And I am going to do a small braid with a large Ghana braid, and I'm only going to demonstrate this one side of her head because I do the same thing throughout the whole top portion of her hair. Okay, so now that the braiding process is over, you want to go ahead and make a small bun, and you want to secure that bun with a rubber band or two. I personally would not use a bobby pin for this step because it can really poke your client's scalp and that will be very painful. So again, just use some rubber bands. The crochet hair comes already singly pieced, so I grab 2 pieces at a time and I will insert that into her bun starting at the bottom of her bun, working my way all the way to the top until it is the fullness that you desire, and then you will be done. Easy peasy, baby. Once at the top, you want to continue the looping method while also adding knots. So before you start to trim this crochet hair, make sure if it's tree braids in the back, because you can also do crochets, but if there are tree braids in the back, make sure you find the knot where the tree braids stop and go like 4 inches past that and then start to trim. Otherwise, you can risk the chance of cutting off someone's hair, and nobody wants that. But here we are. This is the final look. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. I want to thank you all for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, liked, or shared, please do so now. I will be uploading videos every single Thursday. And if you have any hair tutorials that you would like for me to create, please drop them in the comments. And again, I am Latasha the Stylist, and thanks for watching.